remove the tire. This ABS wire has two clips on the bottom of the control arm. So remove them. There you go. By the way, this is the driver side, but this is the same procedure for the passenger side. For this, I'm gonna use a 21mm socket with this swivel. I'm just gonna leave it there right now until when I pop this off from the steering knuckle. I'm gonna use this now, ball joint removal tool, and I'm using it because this is aluminum. I don't want to take any risk of breaking it. There you go. And remove the nut. This is gonna be 18mm bolt, and I'm gonna use this ratchet with the socket just to break it loose. Once it's loose, you guys can use one of these. I'm gonna leave it like that for right now until when I remove the other one. There you go, it's out. Remove this one, and should be ready to come out. Got the new one right here, part number from O'Reilly's. And the nut right here. Put the other one right here. And the nut. Remove this cover. You guys can use the pry bar to push it down. Don't forget to double check by hand. Should be good. Put this greasy ball joint. Very good. So this design is a little different, and I think that's why they sent this clip thing. Yep, like that. If you guys got another one, you guys can put it somewhere around here, but we still need to torque those two bolts. And in order to do that, we're gonna have to put the weight of the vehicle on the suspension, because if we torque those bolts like that, when the vehicle gets on the ground, those bushings gonna be damaged right away. So you see, guys, the car is sitting on the floor jacks right now. It's not sitting on the jack stands. So we are simulating that the car is on the road right now. Now we can torque those two bolts, this one and that one. That should be good. So we're gonna go to this one. That's what you guys have to do. Now you guys can put the tire back on.